Hi there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn about how to use fractions in Excel. If you have ever worked with Excel, chances are you have used it to store and calculate different types of values such as whole numbers, decimals, and percentages. However, there may also be times when you want to work with fractions in Excel, such as half, two-thirds. Rather than use the decimal value, you may want to work with fractions. So let's jump into this tutorial and learn how we can use fractions in the Excel.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
For example, let's say we have a recipe for chocolate chip cookies and we would like to enter it into Excel. The recipe calls for things like half teaspoons of salt, so we will want to enter these values as fraction in the column D. Before we enter the ingredients, we'll need to make a small changes to the spreadsheet. You can apply a special kind of formatting known as number formatting to any cell. Excel has a fraction number format that will allow you to enter your values as fraction. So we'll select the column D and use the number format command on the home tab to apply fraction number format. You can also go to the number format by pressing Ctrl 1 from your keyboard. Note that we are using Excel 2021 in this example, but this will work the same way in Excel 2003, 7, 10 and 16. Please also note that this feature is not available in Google Sheets. Now that we have applied the number formatting, we are ready to enter fractions in column B. Notice that it can also display the mixed fraction such as 3 1 over 2. If you select this cell, you will see the Excel is actually treating the value like a decimal number in the formula bar. The fraction number format just changes the way the value is displayed in the spreadsheet. This 3 1 over 2 is displayed as 3.5. You can even use the fractions in formulas and function. For example, let's say this recipe yield about 12 cookies. If you want to make 24 cookies, you could use the Excel to double this recipe. For this purpose, I'm going to insert a new column over here. So because we want to double this recipe, so I will multiply the amounts in D with 2. So I will write equal to multiply this amount and then press enter, and after this I will drag and fill this handle. I will make it center and middle aligned. Now you can see that the amount have been doubled in this cell. The amount 3.5 is multiplied with 2 and the next amount is 7. Here are the new fractions for our doubled recipe. As you can see, this number format make it easy to work with fractions in Excel, especially if you don't want to convert your fractions into decimal. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.